What are the environmental impacts of desertification? Have you ever wondered how the land around us can change so drastically? Desertification is a process where fertile land turns into desert-like conditions, and it has serious environmental impacts. This transformation happens due to both natural factors and human activities. Things like deforestation, overgrazing, and unsustainable farming practices contribute to this issue, along with climate change. One of the first impacts of desertification is soil degradation. This includes erosion, nutrient depletion, and salinization. When soil loses its nutrients, it struggles to support plant life. As plants die off, the land becomes more exposed and vulnerable to erosion from wind and water. This creates a cycle that makes the land even less productive. Desertification also leads to a significant loss of biodiversity. As vegetation decreases, animal species that relying on these plants for food and shelter are affected. This can lead to habitat fragmentation, where animals lose their homes, and some may even face local extinction. Additionally, the altered environment can allow invasive species to thrive, which disrupts local ecosystems. The atmosphere is not spared either. Desertification contributes to higher levels of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane. When vegetation is lost, the land's ability to absorb carbon diminishes. Disturbing the soil can also release stored carbon into the air, worsening climate change. From a human perspective, desertification has profound effects on communities, especially those that depend on agriculture and livestock. As land becomes less productive, food security is threatened, leading to economic struggles. In regions like the Sahel in Africa, many people have had to abandon their traditional ways of life, resulting in displacement and social challenges. To tackle desertification, we need effective environmental resource management strategies. Sustainable land management practices can make a difference. Techniques like agroforestry, conservation farming, and reforestation can help restore soil health and increase vegetation cover. These approaches not only rehabilitate the land but also provide alternative income sources for local communities, making them more resilient to drought. In summary, desertification leads to soil degradation, loss of biodiversity, and contributes to climate change through increased greenhouse gas emissions. It also has serious social consequences, threatening food security and livelihoods. Addressing this issue requires a collaborative effort that combines ecological restoration with sustainable resource management to support both the environment and the communities affected.